hey, here's the plan. I went onto Twitch one day and I was off stream. And basically, I saved someone else's stream. I'm going to use that as like a clickbaity title. They're a fantastic streamer in their own right. And the person you'll see in a second, her name's Miss Lynn. Absolutely fantastic. I'll link her Twitch and stuff. What happened was, halfway through this stream, there's this disaster where her mic just cuts out completely. And I'm on the Discord call with her when this happens. And I wanted to share that with you guys because I thought it was pretty funny. So it's a little bit of an unconventional video, but I feel like you guys are going to enjoy this. So let's just jump into it.
Tim Tam, I've heard so much about these. Oh, you dip these in hot chocolate.
Yeah.
Yeah, so
yes, I've
these
heard about
are,
these.
in my opinion, the greatest thing Australia has ever produced.
That's correct. You're also going to learn to see this woman a lot in this footage.
Oh, that sounds amazing.
Sorry.
It's legally-
I'm doing my best to provide an environment in which you can flourish.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, just so that you know, I had lights perfectly set up in the back of my room. And you just knocked them all aside so that you could be super comfy. This is what I'm dealing with.
I'm gonna go get me some brekkie for breakfast. No, I take it.
It's so funny. Whenever
There,
you do
there,
an accent,
there it is.
You get halfway through a word, and then it's like you pull the eject lever, and you just go.
So right here, boom, her mic's cut out, right? And we don't realize this for a good 5-10 seconds. So she's trying to talk. Let me see what her chat says.
Muted.
Okay, so this is where she realizes. She's like, oh, it's muted, right?
It's okay, chat. I've turned my mic back on. Today we're gonna be doing some art streams. I'm gonna paint this emote of this bloke with a beard, and he's gonna be eating a Brexit biscuit. So it's kind of like a regular biscuit, but it's in half. So it used to be a European brand, but they've since split off, and now it's kind of its own biscuit doing its own thing.
You can see on her face, she's like losing it a little bit. She doesn't know what to do. I like this guy. Down the bottom, he's like, legitimate fun guy. Is the actual mic off? No, fun guy. That's her real voice. Excuse me. Are you perfectly okay? That's the face of trouble.
It's my time.
Someone follows here.
OJ Rankin is now following. Thank you so much, OJ Rankin. I appreciate it. Heart you.
I love this guy. He's like, check if the mic is actually on. Is that the real Shaylin? Is that her voice? I think I wasn't helping.
How happy that lady is.
I don't think I was helping either. I think she was trying to fix it, but
she is just having a grand time.
Poor girl. She's trying so hard.
Look, I'll tell you what I'll do is I'll just impersonate you, and then I'll keep your stream running as if it's you.
Oh, I don't know about that. I don't know if you could do my accent on point.
I think I could probably do it.
I think I nailed it.
Redeemed an animal sounded. Elephant. There you go. That's the best elephant I can manage.
Oh, by the way, you just like, what? Shut up! What's up? Hello. Hello, ma'am. Welcome to customer service. You're gross. Look at chat right now. All the love to Shay right now. They're like, she is stressing out so much right now, and this guy on the voice call isn't helping. His is not working for him or for her. It's just painful.
Australia.
Yeah, I'm like, what's your favorite fruit, chat? And someone goes, tuna.
Big fan of Australia.
Oh my god, escape. Oh! Are you okay? Are you alright? You okay there? Lara Croft? Thank you. So at this point, another guy joins the chat, and he's like, I think it's legitimate fun guy, and he's British, so he decides to come in and be me whilst I'm being Lynn, and he was a really good sport about it too. He was top.
I'm gonna fill in for you while you fill in for Shaylin. You can't be both people.
Fair enough. Okay, so you'll handle my end, and then I'll deal with Shay's end.
Yeah.
Oh, that sounds fantastic. Really good idea, guys.
Yeah, mate. Your favourite Australian here, mate.
Oh, good. Great. I'm so happy you're here. Fantastic.
Oh, thanks. It's an honour.
Lynn, say nothing if you're okay with this. Nothing. I am okay with this.
I forgot about that.
It was a fun time.
It's coming back now. Look at the stress on that poor woman's face. She is about ready to throw something. Or scream. One of the two. Maybe she did scream. We don't know. We can't hear.
All right. Gonna give it a go now.
That was pretty hardcore for what I said.
Wicked.
Oh,
Oh.
hello.
Yeah.
Hi. Yes, I can hear you.
Okay, so she's coming through
the
Discord
bit's finally
right now.
over.
But she's still not coming through on stream yet. So, but that's it. That's what happened. She just needed to reconnect and
All right.
reset a thing.
I took care of your stream while you were gone.
Great voice imitation, Viscerous. Thank you.
I've just forgotten.
Hello.
Hey, there we go, chat.
Oh,
Worked.
yes.
Fantastic. Well done.
Well done, you. Can we all give Viscerous a round of applause? Let's get a shout out for Viscerous and a shout out for Fun Guy.
Still can't hear you on stream.
They can hear you.
Oh, they're being trolls.
Yeah, they were being trolls.
No, we'll just test if your microphone's working.
Okay.
I'll turn
He's
up your
lying.
stream and then just say sub to Viscerous, and I'll let you know if it's working.
Sub
that's
to
definitely not-
Viscerous.
Definitely not a.
Yeah, definitely
promotion.
working. Definitely working.
Oh, you little sneaks. They still can't hear Kappa. Oh my gosh.
I also like the way that she says Kappa.
We are having a party, Tommy.
There you go. So if you want to check out Shaylin's stream, I'll leave the link down in the description. There's her doing some art, dressed up in a space suit, probably. I don't know. Maybe she's an astronaut. I didn't do that much research. Go check her out. Also follow my stream, check that out. I'm live Wednesdays and Saturdays. The stream schedule's been changed just a touch, so I can make more content like this. But that's where I'm going to leave the video, guys. Like, subscribe, share if you liked it. I'm going to do all that gross YouTuber stuff. And I will see you in the next one. Cheers.